Okay, this is your problem. First thing, of course, you always do is to insert. You want a table. You need to have at least 2 columns. Looks like you didn't have any problem with that. To actually type the math, you go back to insert, and you should have somewhere over in this area, regardless of which Microsoft Word version you're using, that talks about an equation, maybe has a pi symbol. If I click on it, now I want to type. Okay, if I just wanted to type the equation that's there, I would do x parenthesis 6x minus 4, close the parenthesis, equals 6x plus 7, close, open, x minus 3. Pretty much it's just regular typing there. But when you start wanting things to actually happen, like things that you just don't do with the regular keyboard, you'll still go back to insert, you'll go to equation. Okay, it would be x times 6x, so that's going to be 6x squared. So I'm going to type 6. I'm going to go up here where it says script, and then I can put in the x squared. Space over, minus 4x equals. Then, of course, I will FOIL on the other side. You would get a 6. You need your template for your exponent, and then that is x squared. Outer terms would be negative 18x. Inner terms, positive 7x. And last terms, negative 18. Now, that's the basics to how you would actually type that particular math, but remember, it's insert, equation. And then you have all kinds of things that you can choose from. Fractions, that's the favorite kind of fraction. Exponents, you might need radicals later. Those are the main ones that you will use, possibly a few of the others, but that's how that is done.